Hey there, and welcome to the ultimate guide to the SBI SimplySAVE Credit Card. If you're considering applying for this card, or even if you already have it, this video will walk you through the details that matter most. No fluff, just facts. So let's jump straight into what this card offers, and what you should be aware of before making your decision. First up, the SBI SimplySAVE Credit Card is designed for those who want to earn rewards on their everyday purchases. You can earn 10x reward points on dining, movies, grocery, and departmental store spends. For all other spends, you earn 1 reward point for every 150 Indian rupees spent. Sounds appealing, right? It is, especially for anyone who regularly spends on these categories. Now let's talk about the fees. The card comes with an annual fee of 499 Indian rupees, which can be waived off if you spend 1 Indian rupee lakh in a year. The renewal fee is also 499 Indian rupees, but again, it's waived with annual spending of 1 Indian rupee lakh. This makes it a budget-friendly card if you're already planning to use it regularly. But remember, there are some things you need to consider. For example, although the card offers decent rewards, the redemption process isn't always as flexible as one might hope. You can redeem reward points for gifts or vouchers, but you'll need a minimum of 2,000 points to start redeeming. Now, let's not forget the interest rates. The finance charges on revolving credit are 3.5% per month, which works out to around 42% annually. This is a standard rate in India, but it's definitely something to keep in mind if you don't plan to pay your full balance each month. Some of the services included with the card are emergency card replacement, add-on cards for family members, and a convenient online portal to track your spending and rewards. SBI also provides 24/7 customer support, which can come in handy if you run into any issues. While this card is great for rewards on everyday spending, it's not the best option if you're looking for travel benefits or premium perks. The SimplySAVE is more about straightforward savings and cashback rather than luxury or exclusive services. To sum it up, the SBI SimplySAVE Credit Card can be a solid choice if you're looking for a simple, no-nonsense card that rewards everyday spending without heavy fees. However, you should definitely consider how much you'll actually spend in the categories that offer 10x reward points to maximize the benefits. That's all for this quick overview. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on credit cards and personal finance.